Hi and welcome back. The secret for a good appetizer is to use the best quality ingredients you have and keep it simple. Don't overdo it. For our crostinis we use gorgonzola, butter, cream cheese, shrimps, salt and ground pepper, smoked salmon, Coppa, which is an Italian salami, but you can use any type of sausage or salami you like. A few cloves of garlic, avocado, lime, dill, parsley, toast bread. We start by preparing the ingredients. So now that we finished slicing all the ingredients and preparing our cream cheese and garlic butter, we continue by cutting out our slices of bread with the cookie cutters. When done, we brush them with our garlic butter and we season them with salt and pepper. Lastly, we bake them at 180 degrees Celsius or 360 degrees Fahrenheit for roughly 15 minutes, or until they are brown and crispy. While the bread is baking, we cook our shrimps. We add some garlic butter to the pan and we add the shrimps. It takes roughly 1 minute on medium heat until they are done. Our toasts are done, so we take them out of the oven and we let them to cool down for a few minutes. The first type we make is with avocado and smoked salmon, topped with some fresh parsley. The second is with gorgonzola, Coppa, Parmesan and parsley. And last we make one with our cream cheese topped with shrimps and some parsley. You can find the full recipe in the description below. If you enjoyed our video, then please subscribe, leave a like or a comment below. Enjoy!